But yeah, so Google, they just recently came out and they announced the Pixel 5a 5G by just shutting down, denying rumors that it was canceled. So there have been some rumors that came out that the Pixel 5a 5G was going to be canceled because of what had been happening with the chip shortage around the world and what was going on there. So what they said was, they actually said Pixel 5a 5G is not canceled. It'll be available later this year in the US and Japan, and they announced it announced in line with when last year's A series phone was introduced. In addition to this, they also came out and people are saying it's going to be very similar in size, in design to the Pixel 4a 5G. And this, for people who don't know, this is the lower end model for Google's Pixel phone, Google's phones. Pixel 4a, lower model, a little less expensive, more of a budget-friendly phone, and so it's going to have very similar specs in terms of 6.2-inch display, dual rear cameras, headphone jack, like that. It's going to be similar but different. And there's some people who don't like how Google does this, how Google just comes out, they say, here's our phone. This is when we're going to be releasing it. They give you some of the features, some things that you can expect. People don't like that. I think it's pretty good because now there's always so much hype around the iPhone and some Androids that are coming out and just phones in general with OnePlus that people, so much hype. That's just good sometimes for people to just come out and say, look, this is the phone. We are having it. These are some things that are going to be about it. They don't release all the details, but a lot of things people end up knowing beforehand, and it just gets rid of all this hype and all this, confusion and all the miscommunication going around, because then you hear people saying, oh, the phone's going to have this, the phone's going to have that. But now it's just, no, here's our phone. Take it or leave it. This is what we're doing. So I think it's pretty cool how they do it that way. Also going to expect to see Google Pixel 6 come out pretty soon as well. So interesting how Google always goes about coming out with their new phones rather than hype it up, have all these rumors that it may come out, may not come out, rumors about features. They just say, look, we are having this phone and it is coming out this year. Interesting how they do that.